Twintastic learners! Today we're sharing 5 words and expressions that can make your Spanish sound much more natural. There are no difficult grammar rules. These are simple words that native speakers use all the time. Vamos! First up, we have es que. It's just that. Oh my. ¿Por qué llegas tarde? Es que había mucho tráfico. Es que doesn't have a perfect English translation. No, it's often used when given a reason or explaining something. Did you notice that Casey is explaining why she is late using es que? That's right, I said it's just that there was a lot of traffic. Es que había mucho tráfico. Some more examples. Es que no tengo tiempo. It's just that I don't have time. Let's say your friend is asking you to go out for a few drinks on the weekend, but es que tengo trabajar. It's just that I have to work. You'll hear es que everywhere in everyday Spanish. Next up, we have por cierto, by the way. ¿Qué hacemos este fin de semana? Tenemos esta fiesta, ¿te acuerdas? Por cierto, voy a pedirte prestado tu vestido. Por cierto, by the way, we use it when we suddenly remember something or want to add extra information. In this scenario, I am letting Casey know, by the way, I'm going to borrow your dress. Por cierto, voy a pedirte prestado tu vestido. Some more examples. Por cierto, mañana es mi cumpleaños. By the way, tomorrow is my birthday. Por cierto, ¿has visto mis llaves? Have you seen my keys? By the way, have you seen my keys? Always the way. Now, we have la verdad. Honestly, to be honest, the truth is. ¿Te gusta la pizza? La verdad, me encanta. Hasta con piña. Don't come for me in the comments. La verdad. So we use this to say honestly when given our genuine opinion, even if we do like pineapple on pizza. We're saying the truth is to be honest. Notice that here I said I honestly love pizza. I'm giving my honest opinion. La verdad, me encanta. Let's see some more examples. La verdad, no me gustó la película. To be honest, I didn't like the film. What film was you watching? La verdad, estoy muy cansada. The truth is, I'm very tired. Moving on to además. Also, besides, what's more? ¿Te gusta España? Sí, me encanta. Además, hace buen tiempo. This can mean also, besides, what's more. We use it when we want to add extra information or another reason. It's like saying as well, also, or on top of that in English. It's a great connector word. Notice that Tanya is expressing her opinion and then adding extra information. Saying, sí, me encanta. Además, hace buen tiempo. Yes, I love it. On top of that, the weather is good. Let's look at 2 more examples. No quiero salir hoy. Además, está lloviendo. I don't want to go out today. Besides, it's raining. It's always raining. Hoy hace sol y además hace calor. Today it's sunny and it's also hot. And finally, we have sin embargo. However, ¿te gusta el café? Sí, me encanta. Sin embargo, no puedo tomar mucho porque no duermo bien. Sin embargo means however. We use it when we want to contrast 2 different ideas. I said that I love coffee. However, I can't drink too much because I don't sleep well. Here, she is using sin embargo as a contrast. Sí, me encanta, sin embargo, no puedo tomar mucho porque no duermo bien. Some more examples. Quiero comprar ese vestido, sin embargo es muy caro. I want to buy that dress, however, it's very expensive. Me gusta el verano, sin embargo, hace demasiado calor. I like summer, however, it's too hot. Twin tip! Remember, sounding more natural in Spanish can be easier than you think. Learn the little expressions that natives use in everyday conversations. So there you have it. 5 words and expressions to help you sound more natural. Which one are you going to start using first? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching! We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Check out our other channels by clicking the link in our bio, and we will see you next time. Ciao for now!